To change language on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, well, let me quickly show you. As we take a look at my watch right here, I currently have English language enabled. So now to change the language for our device, we will have to go into the settings on our phone. Let's go for the settings, and you'll simply have to take a look for the language settings. It's easier to take a look with the search bar right here. Language, why there's no language? We cannot find the language. Alright, so I have to find manually. So all the way down actually in the system right here, yeah, we can find the languages. So let's go for the languages and input, and from here we can change this language. So let's set up for Polish language, for example. Alright, so now the language of my phone has changed to Polish, and after a couple of seconds, like, the language should change on the watch too. And as you can just see, let me just show you. Yeah, right here we have this Polish language right now on our device, and in case it is not working, the language didn't change on your device, I recommend you to actually restart your device, turn it off and on, and this should fix it.